In this video we are going to be running one of my favorite strategies, and I will let it run and see how much money I can make and how fast I can make it. I will step up the game and put a higher bid this time around. So if you would like to have this pocket option auto trader yourself, use the link that you find below the video so you can use it on this broker you see here right now and let it trade for you completely automatically. So if you have any interest of this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update where I'm showing the newest with my binary option robot. So without further ado, let's start up and let's see how we do in this video.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom! Yeah, yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment.
Wow, this is actually the best I have seen till now. And do you know what? This strategy here start to grow on me. I might move this down because in my system I have the best strategies in the bottom, but this one, at least on the 30 seconds, seems to be strong. So in my next video I will make one more test with this one on the 30 seconds because this looks amazing. So if you would like to have this binary option robot yourself for pocket option, you can get it completely for free, like I said at the start of the video, below the video. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.